Trying to find the actual metal plate on my bench here. I'm looking for something that's on here, and I know it's on here, but actually I'm not really sure if it's on here. But last I seen it was on here. This is antique stuff. That can go somewhere else. Maybe in the end. I have some. I bought a pack of those. I don't know if anybody's ever seen them. They're little breather hoses. They're about this big. I have them in one of my videos. I don't know where they went. They were in a small bag somewhere here. That's not. What is this? This is a blade and some other things. They were in a tiny little bag, and they vanished somewhere on my bench here. Of course, you know, they would vanish. What's this? Little tiny screws. That thing's rusting. What's this? That's garbage. Those are screws. What is this? Those are a million little screws that I bought for a project and they're finished. Oh no, I did finish it. This is what that's for. That's garbage. This is my daughter's drawings. I'll keep that for now. I'll keep the little drawing, put it up here. A little mascot. Or the other half, the other side of my gloves went, be nice, you know. I'm always looking for the caps for different things. A muffler clamp. I brought some paper towels in here. Paper towels. I gotta make a holder for these. I think I'm gonna put the holder on my camera. Oh, come on. Why? Because it's easier that way. Where can I put this? It won't fall on the floor. Put it on the mule. Put it on the mule. I have like Honda parts on top of Honda parts on top of Honda parts, and aha, found it. Sweet. The only problem I have with these, so far I've 5 of them. So far I've lost 2 of them. It drives me nuts because the end doesn't stay in. So I'm like, do I put glue on it or something? I might have to put glue on the outside and stick it in there. It's a plastic cap. So I'll use this. It's the same size hose. Is that breather hose? Yeah, it might work. Anyway, I found it! Woohoo! It's the little things in life that excite me. My daughter was riding the bike and these are what do you call it? Rear pivot bolts. 250 ES rack rear I may not know what all the different sizes of the bolts and how many millimeters in it, but I kind of know now from eyeballing things and looking at stuff and going over things. I kind of know what bolts go where now. Not really. It's just, these are not. What the hell's that for? I don't know what that's for. Those are stainless steel screws. That's for my grinder I gotta fix. The rest of this shit is just junk. I should throw this out. I don't know. I have one of these little keychain things and they suck. I've had it for years. Lancer. I don't know if it's a Mitsubishi Lancer or something else. And believe it or not, you can't see it, but over there on the floor, I cleaned the space. You can walk there now. Big progress. I don't know what this is for. This came off. This is for my, what do you call it? That's for my, yeah. That stays with that. I bought one of these, or I found one of these, but I need a bigger one. I bought the big flat rack. Actually, you know what? I just thought of something. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get this. I bought this thing, and I only drag this around me. This is like, I'm gonna put it in my drawer, but I don't like this. But I noticed if I drill these rivets out, I'm sure probably I can just use one at a time. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Not right now though. I'm just tinkering through there. Okay, there's like a whole pile right here of all big red nuts, bolts, screws, all kinds of stuff. What is this? Yeah, it's another big red part. I think that's the headlight bolt thing. So anyway, with that said, that's all I'm doing was looking for this. There was like a red one and a yellow one, and I lost them. I lost it. Gas tank, petcock. Should probably clean it. So anyway, that's parts. And the other thing that's been laying around here is metric sockets and metric wrenches and metric this. That's an extra thing. I went to Ace Hardware, and they had a, what was it? Get $5 off here for a purchase. What was it? For a purchase of $10 or more, or whatever it was. It was something. Get $5 off over a purchase of $5 or more. So I bought a thing just over $5 and paid like 20 cents for the file handle, which was pretty cool. I should put it in I should file it away, just believe it or not. Why did I buy a file handle for 90 cents? Because why not? Right. I don't have to keep unplugging it from one together. Anyway, this video is not very exciting. I'll let you get back to your regularly programmed things, and I will, I don't know, see you on another video. Anyway, but thanks for chilling out with me. I'm just organizing my bench. My bench hasn't been this clean in a very, very, very long time. How come they don't make the snap-on screwdrivers like this anymore? These, I don't know if they do, but this style of screwdriver is awesome. Just in case you don't know. Orange stuff. The orange stuff over here. So anyway, I will let you all go. Thanks for watching. If you'd like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Toodles.